Hello everyone, my name is Ghanshyam. I'm your Spanish teacher. You welcome to Superfast Spanish course for quick learners. Today we are going to learn lesson 17. So I hope you have covered all the previous lesson and understand and you have enjoyed a lot to the previous lesson. So today we are going to start lesson 17. So let's start. So the first word of today's lesson is under. Under. How will you say under in Spanish? You will say bajo or you can say debajo de. You can say bajo or you can say debajo de. So under means bajo or debajo de. Bajo and debajo de. So how will you say the dog is sleeping under the table? Yes, you will say el perro está durmiendo debajo de la mesa. El perro está durmiendo debajo de la mesa. Repeat once. El perro está durmiendo debajo de la mesa. The dog is sleeping under the table. El perro está durmiendo debajo de la mesa. El perro está durmiendo debajo de la mesa. Now, next word is against. How will you say against in Spanish? Contra. Contra means against. Contra. Against. Contra. Contra. Okay. So, how will you say I am not against you? I am not against you. You will say no estoy en contra de ti. No estoy en contra de ti. Repeat once. No estoy en contra de ti. I am not against you. No estoy en contra de ti. No estoy en contra de ti. Next word is from or since. From or since. You say desde. Desde means from or since. From or since means desde. From or since desde. Desde. So how will you make the sentence? I am standing here from 2 hours. I am standing here from 2 hours. You will say estoy de pie aquí desde 2 horas. Pie means standing. Estoy de pie aquí desde 2 horas. Repeat once. Estoy de pie aquí desde 2 horas. I'm standing here from 2 hours. Estoy de pie aquí desde 2 horas. Estoy de pie aquí desde 2 horas. Next word is two word. How you say two words in Spanish? You say Asia. Asia means two words. Two words means Asia. Asia. So, how will you say you cannot carry this bag two words? You cannot carry this bag two words. Yes, you will say no puedes llevar esta bolsa hacia. No puedes llevar esta bolsa hacia. Repeat once. No puedes llevar esta bolsa hacia. You cannot carry this bag for two words. No puedes llevar esta bolsa hacia. No puedes llevar esta bolsa hacia. Next word is until. How will you say until in Spanish? You will say hasta. Hasta. Until means hasta. Hasta. So how will you make until you come? Until you come. You will say hasta te vengas. Hasta te vengas. Hasta te vengas. Until you come, hasta te vengas. Hasta te vengas. Next word is before. Before. You will say ante or antes de. Ante or antes de. So before is called ante or antes de in Spanish. So how will you make the sentence? One day before. How will you say one day before? You will say un día antes de. Un día antes de. Un día antes de. One day before. Un día antes de. Un día antes de. With. With. Con. Con means with. So with is con in Spanish. So how will you make the sentence? I work with the student. I work with the student. You will say yo trabajo con el estudiante. Yo trabajo con el estudiante. Repeat once. Yo trabajo con el estudiante. I work with the student. Yo trabajo con el estudiante. Yo trabajo con el estudiante. Without. How will you say without in Spanish? Sin. Sin. So without means sin in Spanish. So how will you make the sentence? I can't live without you. I can't live without you. You will say no puedo vivir sin ti. No puedo vivir sin ti. Repeat once. No puedo vivir sin ti. I can't live without you. No puedo vivir sin ti. No puedo vivir sin ti. Next word is after or behind. After or behind is called detrás de or atrás de in Spanish. Detrás de or atrás de. After or behind, you will say detrás de or atrás de. Detrás de, atrás de. So after or behind means detrás de, atrás de. So how will you say you can hide behind me? You can hide behind me. You can say puedes esconder detrás de mí. Puedes esconder detrás de mí. Puedes esconder detrás de mí. You can hide behind me. Puedes esconder detrás de mí. Puedes esconder detrás de mí. Next word is because of or due to. Because of or due to. You will say porque or a causa de. Porque or a causa de. Because of, due to, porque, a causa de. A causa de. So how will you make the sentence because of an accident I cancel the event? Because of an accident I cancel the event. You will say a causa de un accidente. A causa de un accidente cancelo el evento. A causa de un accidente canceló el evento. A causa de un accidente canceló el evento. Because of an accident, I cancel the event. A causa de un accidente canceló el evento. Next word is to the right of or on the right of. You say a la derecha de, a la derecha de, a la derecha de. So, to the right of or on the right of, you say a la derecha de. A la derecha de. So, how will you make the sentence? The bank is on the right of the church. The bank is on the right of the church. You will say el banco está a la derecha de la iglesia. El banco está a la derecha de la iglesia. El banco está a la derecha de la iglesia. The bank is on the right of the church. El banco está a la derecha de la iglesia. Next word is to the left of or on the left of. You will say a la izquierda de, a la izquierda de. To the left of or on the left of, you say a la izquierda de, a la izquierda de. So how will you make the sentence? The bank is on the left of the church. The bank is on the left of the church. You will say el banco está a la izquierda de la iglesia. Repeat once. El banco está a la izquierda de la iglesia. The bank is on the left of the church. El banco está a la izquierda de la iglesia. Next word is at the end of or at the bottom of. At the end of and at the bottom of. You will say al fondo de. Al fondo de. At the end of, at the bottom of, al fondo de. Al fondo de. The bank is at the end of the street. How will you say? You will say el banco está al fondo de la calle. El banco está al fondo de la calle. El banco está al fondo de la calle. The bank is at the end of the street. El banco está al fondo de la calle. Next word is beside or next to. Beside or next to. You will say al lado de. Al lado de. So beside or next to is al lado de. Al lado de. So how will you say I am next to school? I am next to school. Estoy al lado de la escuela. Estoy al lado de escuela. Repeat once. Estoy al lado de escuela. I am next to school. Estoy al lado de escuela. Estoy al lado de escuela. Around. Around. How will you say around? You will say alrededor de. Alrededor de. Around means alrededor de. So, how will you say around a month approximately? You will say alrededor de un mes aproximadamente. Alrededor de un mes aproximadamente. Repeat once. Alrededor de un mes aproximadamente. Around a month approximately. Alrededor de un mes aproximadamente. Through or across. Through or across. You say a través de. A través de. Through or across is called a través de. A través de. We can call them through the mobile. We can call them through the mobile. You will say podemos llamarlos a través del móvil. Podemos llamarlos a través del móvil. Podemos llamarlos a través del móvil. We can call them through the mobile. Podemos llamarlos a través del móvil. So this is the end of the lesson 17. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Just go to the test section, give the test and judge yourself how much you are confident in this lesson. And if you did not watch the previous lesson, just go and watch the previous lesson, become master in previous lesson. So this lesson or upcoming lesson will be easy for you. If you want to learn Spanish with the grammar, vocabulary and all these things, so you just watch my another course of Spanish. In that course, I cover the grammar in the detail. So thank you for watching this lesson. Watch the next lesson. Thank you. Gracias. Adios.